Wait. I don't.
Okay, I knock him down. I'm knocking him down.
Nice.
Okay, I killed him. Oh, and there's M416 here.
Wait, don't go down.
I think they're here inside this room here.
Wait me, Lando.
Yeah. Yeah, I got him.
Where's the friend?
Oh, 4 kills for me, guys. 4 kills.
Nice.
Finally, I got 2 kills.
Come help me, Lando, fast! I'm gonna die!
I'm coming.
Lando is next to me. He's surviving his friend. Fast!
He's revving his friend.
I don't know where you
Kill
are.
both.
Fuck.
Yeah,
yeah,
kill
go.
both, kill both. Nice.
Nice!
Nice.
Come on, please.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, no, I see him.
Oh fuck! I knocked him down. Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot! There's another one
Where is he? Where is he?
behind the wall.
Yes. Oh, watch out.
Okay, I killed both. I killed both.
Nice,
one.
Lando.
Oh, no, there's another one. He knocked me.
There's someone shot. Yeah, he's at the building, Really, really far.
Fuck! I'm so low, guys.
Zod, come to me, Zod, come to me.
Okay.
I kill! I kill!
shooting
Oh, I kill! 3
They're still
kills,
shooting.
guys.
I don't know from where.
I...
I knocked one.
Okay, I killed him. There's more?
I killed his friend, Yeah,
It's
more.
me. Okay.
I see it. I killed that second one.
Fuck.
There's another one.
Where?
Oh, behind
Okay,
behind you. Someone knocked me.
Oh fuck!
Watch out.
Where?
Thank you.
Fuck! Sorry, Zork. I almost killed you, man. Shit.
Yeah, you killed me?
I killed
Okay.
you?
No, I don't know.
No, I said I almost killed you. I was. Fuck.
Guys, I'm trying to come to me.
Someone else is coming. Someone else.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
upstairs.
Take that from me.
Oh, thanks.
I killed him.
Nice.
Yeah, because you know what? I shot him like twice, I think.
Oh fuck, that's so close to me. Lando, they're in front of you.
Yeah, I knocked down with a grenade.
Yeah, boys, and 4th of July is the United States
No!
Independence Day.
I killed 2 guys.
Me too. I killed 3 actually.
Nice.
Scheiße.
Fuck, they're coming in my building. Shit.
I killed 1.
Nice.
No, the right one. Stay there. There he is in front of you. Yeah. I told you. Look. Shoot this motherfucker. Nice.
He's moving to the right.
To the right. Stay.
You need to go inside the circle.
Go in the circle. You're in the white circle. But watch him a little bit.
Yeah, he's
shoot,
in front of you.
Shoot.
Nice!
Nice.
One more. Yeah, we won!
Yeah!
We won!
Unbelievable!